Brexit is more exaggerated on the equity markets than on the real economy. That's the view coming in from the finance minister, who spoke exclusively to CNBC TV 18 in Beijing. He says India's strong fundamentals will provide the much-needed insulation from the global volatility. He spoke with CNBC's Yoon. This is his immediate reaction to the Brexit result.
Well, I think in the immediate term, the first reaction is normally an exaggerated reaction. And that will be felt on markets, that will be felt on currencies, and since morning we've seen a lot of it. But I'm sure as the situation proceeds further, it will settle down. After all, it's going to be the same UK and the same European Union, except that you'll have to trade with them separately and you'll have to deal with them separately. That's the net impact of this. And I think once the world is able to figure this out, over the next few days, as the situation settles down, the economies in terms of both stock markets and currencies would start leveling out.
And what kind of impact do you think could that have on the Indian economy? Do you see any impact?
Well, I think in Indian economy, we really, in terms of the real economy, we have strong fundamentals. And if you have strong fundamentals in terms of a very deep foreign exchange reserve, a high growth rate, somewhat restrained inflation, not significant current account deficit, maintaining fiscal discipline. Now, if all these parameters are in place as they are in India, I think the impact of on the real economy will not be significant. The impact would be that there are a large number of Indian companies which have invested in the UK. India is one of the largest investors in the UK. And therefore, these companies will have to tailor their businesses accordingly. They'll have to deal separately with Europe and separately with the UK itself. And I don't think the way the world trade proceeds is going to be a very difficult proposition for them. They'll also realize it in the due course. As far as trade arrangements and negotiations are concerned, we'll have to live with doing rounds of them all over again. But I have not the least doubt that the situation will settle down as far as India is concerned, settle down fast. There's always a clear distinction between the real economy and the stock market economy. The impact of this decision on the stock market economy is more visible than it would be on the real economy.